I want to talk about Lakshya because you decide के अच्छा अब ये क्लोज सेट बहुत हो गया, अब सीधा हिमालय पे चढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? तो ये जो जंप आपने वहां से सबसे डिफिकल्ट लेवल पे जो मारी है, ऑफ व्हाट वाज इट, 14,000 feet above sea level, 16,000 feet, 16,000 feet above sea level, from sea level of Carter Road and Bandstand, you jump straight to 16,000. तो ये कहां से आया कि बहुत मतलब अभी नीचे का बहुत हो गया, अभी सीधा ऊपर जाएंगे?
यार it just came from the एक कहानी लिखी थी, डैड ने लिखी है वो फिल्म. And actually the interesting thing about that film is that he wrote the film. वो गए थे, sorry I'm just sharing a story with you all. वो गए थे 2001 में वो गए थे कारगिल. He was invited for Kargil Divas, and he was invited to lay a wreath on the memorial that's been built there for the fallen soldiers of Operation Vijay. वो वहाँ पर थे तो उनकी मुलाकात हुई एक सीनियर आर्मी ऑफिसर से, जिन्होंने उनसे कहा कि आप देख रहे हैं जावेद साहब, यहाँ पर इतने सारे लोग आए हैं, प्रेस है, ये है वो है, सब कह रहे हैं कि मतलब जो हमारे बॉयज ने किया है इज एब्सोल्युटली अनइमेजिनेबल. It's just the will of the officer and the soldier that has allowed us to win these peaks back, because we were fighting up, which is a very, very difficult thing to do. But it's only their tenacity that allowed for it to happen. और सब वाह कर रहे हैं कि ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, मगर the sad जो एक अफसोस की बात है वो ये है कि हर साल जो यंगस्टर्स हैं जो ऑफिसर्स के रोल में who enroll to be officers, वो संख्या जो है वो घटती जा रही है. Lesser and lesser people are thinking of the army, educated people are thinking of the army as a career option. So we are saying that they are so great and they are so amazing, but not that many people want to do these jobs anymore. So he said, I will write a film to inspire people to join the army. So that's really how that film started, which was an amazing thing. So then he told me this story, जो मैंने अभी आपके साथ share किया. He shared that with me, and then he shared with me, of course, the story itself. And I was completely blown away. And for me, after having done a film like Dil Chahta Hai, it felt like such an incredible challenge also as a director to move so far away from not just my comfort zone physically, but even emotionally, to understand the inner workings of the armed forces, to understand their mindset, how they function, how they live, what drives them. It was learning for me. That movie was a learning for me on all fronts. I mean, I learned, of course, about the army, but I also learned about how challenging filmmaking can be, because it was a very, very challenging film to make. Not just for me, for the other crew, for the cast, but we really banded together. And for me, the learning as a filmmaker, as a producer, that happened on Laksh has never happened since then. That even in the toughest of places, in the toughest of circumstances, you require a team that you can really, really rely on, a team that can really come together, and if that happens, you can make something that hopefully will be there for people to watch for years to come. And it was just an absolutely incredible experience.
Just quickly, if you could tell us 2-3 of the challenges you had while shooting that film. कितना लंबा schedule था वो?
हम लोग लद्दाख में थे 5 महीने.
Wow.
We were there for 5 months. Or that time Ladakh was cut off from the world. There was no mobile phone. There was nothing. So it really was just being a community by yourself, and just having each other to depend on, to spend time with, to entertain each other. And the one, I mean, जो आप पूछ रहे हैं अगर कुछ ऐसा हुआ था, तो एक मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह याद है कि जो शूटिंग हुई थी वो आखिरी सीन की, जब ऋतिक जाकर फ्लैग लगाता है वो पीक 5179 पे. That location was a location called Tanglangla, और उसकी हाइट थी roughly about 17,300 feet, where we went and shot. तो हम लोग ले से निकले, and it was very far away. It was a 4.5 hour drive to get there. तो we got there. वहाँ पर उन्होंने एक tent city बनाई थी, so we could stay the day there, plan all our shots. One day, wake up early in the morning, shoot that scene, and then come back. So we stayed there. It was freezing cold. We woke up, everybody wakes up, of course, for a sunrise shot. You're waking up, it's completely dark. The temperature must have been, I don't know, -12, -13 at that time. हम लोग ये सब सेटअप किया, क्रेन सेटअप किया उस altitude पे, सारी चीजें हुई, ऋतिक के साथ रिहर्स किया थोड़ा डार्क में before the sun comes up. And then finally sunrise happened. We did all the shots that we needed and we packed up our stuff. And matlab, I'm talking about teamwork. A crane, actors were carrying weights of the crane back. We are all carrying those crane weights back. It wasn't like, chalo, hamara kaam ho gaya, niklo. It was like a team that went there and did it. और हमने शूट की वो सीन, वी शॉट दैट सीन, आए वापस, सबको इतनी खुशी हुई कि यार ये एक डिफिकल्ट चीज था जो हमारे शूट का शेड्यूल था वो अब हो गया है. नाउ वी आर बैक इन ले, थोड़ा आराम मिल जाएगा. और तब वक्त था फिल्म पे हम शूट कर रहे थे, डिजिटल था नहीं कि यू कुड वॉच इट इमीडिएटली. तो वहां से रील्स निकली, पीपल कैरिड इट बैक टू चेन्नई जहाँ पर प्रोसेसिंग हो रही थी. प्रोसेसिंग हुई, वहां से एक मैसेज हमें आया कि वी हैव सम बैड न्यूज कि एक कैमरा जो आपका है, which was the zoom lens, which was all of Ritik's close-ups, they are completely out of focus. So something had gone wrong in the calibration of that day, or maybe while the camera was traveling over those roads. The roads were very bad at that time. Now they are amazing. So we were all so depressed कि यार अभी वापस जाना पड़ेगा, फिर से वो करना पड़ेगा, फिर से वहां उठना पड़ेगा, फिर से वही क्रेन लगानी पड़ेगी. We have to do everything again. So everyone was sad, but then everyone picked themselves up. And that's where this team thing, everybody was like, no, come on, we can do it. Let's think of it as an adventure. Now, when we went back to do it, we did the same thing. गए वहां पर, रात में सो गए, सुबह में उठे. The day that we got was the most incredible, beautiful sunrise, which is in the film. The first day that we had shot was completely cloudy. You could not see the valley below. You could not see anything. And when we went back, we were like, this was just meant to be. So to just find that, it's an unbelievable. So that sadness, because we were like, we live with it. We are not going to come back here and shoot again. वो cloud मिल गया, थोड़ा भी कर लो, choice है नहीं. But when we went back, we got what you see now in the film. So that's just one such thing. But it was a difficult thing to get past जब वो news आई कि सब कुछ out of focus है.